Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Sir Dr. Karuniana Dianta AS SIP MA as my first supervisor.
And the second is Mrs. Siti Fatima Zahra SAEMA as my second supervisor, and also Professor Sri Indiani Kansari SA MSA as a coordinator of Economic Education Study Program. On this occasion, I'm Gina Mufida from the 2018 Economic Education Study Program will be present my research entitled The Influence of Customer Trust and the Use of Online Motorcycle Taxi Service on the Purchase thought the GrabFood delivery feature on the public in DKI Jakarta. The first is introduction. The existence of the 4.0 revolution era, which has the impact on all change in a human life, especially in the file technology, such as the emergency of online motorcycle taxi, which are then growing with the existence of the food purchasing service, now the delivery message feature on the online motorcycle taxi application. In terms out of this feature that has proven to be very helpful in the human life, so it is popular and many use it and some even depend on this feature. In this award has led to the emergence of several competitors from this delivery message feature, which was the originally only owned by online motorcycle taxi application. Based on my pre-research in the 5 districts in DKI Jakarta, I produced by following a data GoFood with the 17 results, GrabFood with the 22 results, ShopeeFood with the 16 results, and the last is Traveloka is with the result. Which means, according to my pre-reads, the GrabFood delivery feature is the most broadly used by the people of DKI Jakarta who ask the delivery feature to make food purchase. In this what my research, what to do this research with the aim to finding out my this GrabFood feature can be the most sought after by the people in DKI Jakarta. In the fact, customer can often ask the certain goods or service product due to the trust and ease of the use. For these reasons, researchers want to see whether customer trust has a major influence on the height of this GrabFood feature in the city of Jakarta. In addition, someone can confidently purchase goods and service online, meaning that they have confidence in the service provided and the use of the online motorcycle taxi service that facilitates human life in the various files. This is what makes the research want to know whatever there is an influence on customer trust and usage online motorcycle taxi service of the food purchase toward the GrabFood delivery feature to the public in DKI Jakarta. And the next is formulation and research purpose. Formulation and research purpose is how to customer trust effect of the formulation and research purpose is to find out the effect of customer trust and food purchase toward the GrabFood delivery feature in DKI Jakarta non-thousand islands, and to find out the effect of using online object service of food purchase toward the good GrabFood delivery feature in DKI Jakarta non-thousand islands. And the next is formulation And the next is benefits. Benefits for the reader is can provide an added knowledge as well as an explanation of the influence of customer trust and the use of online motorcycle taxi service on the food purchase for the food delivery future in DKI Jakarta and Northern Islands. Benefit for the future research is the results of his study are expected to provide additional knowledge and can be used as the reference material in conducting similar research. And the last is benefit for the research is the results of this study are expected to add the different knowledge to broaden horizons and aliens actual problems that occur, especially those related to consumption activities. And next, there is the literature review. The one is supporting theory. The theory that I use in this research is a theory behavior customer behavior theory from Mowen. Mowen will say the customer behavior is a study that contains unit and also decision making a process in the activity of reserving, using, and determining goods, service, and ideas. Basically, customer behavior is a study that study why customers make purchase of goods, service, or idea either individually, in group, or organization. Then, according to Shipman and Kano, customer behavior is a study that explain why customer individually can be confident in making a decision to buy the research that have time, money, and effort to obtain good or service that they will later consume. The next is supporting theory. Customer behavior also has several models, but there are two models that are suitable in this research. The first is Howard and Stadt model. Howard and Stadt model describe a series of customer behavior that examining how the process of customer cannot feel confident until they finally carry out processing activities starting from the emergence of stimuli, perception, cleaning process until customer make a decision to make purchase and even repeat purchase. This is a Howard and Stadt model of customer behavior. The following in this picture of Howard and Stadt models, customer behaviors models. Howard and Stadt model product output in the form of customer behavior decision to buy a product or service, with the aim of being a product or service with the tendency of customer to buy or choose a brand that they like or trust. And this model is more included to reverse uh, and also describe the dynamic of being offered a product. According to this model, the buyer have modified views and can make decision from their purchases and the previous purchase. So, according to this model, buyer processing and the decision-making process becomes simple or that trust can be formed by itself. And the next is Kotler and Keller model consumer behavior. In the model is from Kotler and Keller based on the characteristic given. Uh, the first is a marketing push. Where one of the marketing driving factor is compatible with the research being concluded the following marketing driving product consists of the product, service, price, distribution channels, communications, people, process, and the physical evidence. And the next is the literature review food purchase. Food purchase of the food referred to in this study is one of the economic activities, namely consumption. Consumption is an activity to buy a certain product in the form of the good or service carried out by consumer with the aim of meeting their daily needs. From Elfina 2018. And consumption is all the activity of purchasing a product, good or service that are ready to be consumed by customers households with the aim of meeting their needs. From Ismail 2019, and the last is consumption is an activity with the aim of the spending as the use value of the particular product, uh, both goods and a service that are used to meet daily needs and also to meet the satisfaction of the customer. Aprilia Sasana Destination 2019. And the next is a literature review from the customer trust. Customer trust is a customer willingness to trust a product, service, or brand based of the belief and expectation resulting from the honestly, kindness, and ability as the performance graded by the environment from Chan 2010. Customer trust is an important to coordination to support and performs on the company or the place of business in the competitive business environment and can contribute directly to the loyalty of the relationship between seller and the buyer from Purnama 2016. And the last, customer trust is the trust that is owned by the customer and believe that the seller will fulfill and provide all these obligation as the expect by the customer himself from Malian 2021. And the literature review as the online motorcycle service. The use online of motorcycle service is in the study is one of the economic activities, namely distribution. Distribution is a system similar to trade system, which is one of the service of economic activities that serves to bring and deliver goods or serving from producer to consumer. From Mobianto 2012. And distribution is a collection of organizations that are the interdependent and influence in the process of the providing goods or a service that will be used by consumer. A distribution is an economic activity after product that aim to be an intermediary between producer and customer. From Bernadette 2018. And the last is distribution is an activity that aims to market a product and seeks to facilitate the arrival of good or service from the procedure to customer so that their product can be used according to their use. From Herianto 2015. And next, the variable indicator. The variable of customer confidence according to Nuraini in 2009, namely honestly of the seller in the transaction. The second is the seller responsibility to the buyer, and the last is trust and the company has a good reputation. And the second is a use of the variable using online motorcycle taxi service according to Philip Kotler in 2007, namely marketing channels, a number of distribution, conveyance, and the last is serving equipment. And the variable using of the food purchase according to Kotler and Keller in 2009 is a production selection, brand choice, purchase amount, purchase time, payment method, and the promotion adapted by research. Next, there are the previous studies. The first is research conducted by Leni Sarangi 2019. The effect of the trust is an equality of information on B2C online customer purchase destination in city of Medan. The second is the research of the conduction by Adiki Rizky Fajrin Agung Triyayudi and Sariningsi 2022. Analysis of the factor influencing online food purchase during the COVID-19 pandemic using of the K-means clustering method. Case study is online shop bellyboys.id. And uh, the next research conducted by Muhammad Afif Fatih Ramadan 2019, the influence of the brand image, trust, and a commitment to customer loyalty in the Gojek online transportation application in Malang City. And next research conduction by Vivi Susanti and Kolikul Hadi, MSc 2013, customer confidence in purchasing gadget online. And the last is the research conduction by Rosyan Anwar and Wijaya Adidharma 2016, the effect of the trust and risks on interest in buying on online shopping. Uh, the next, there is a hypothesis from this study, namely, first uh, there is an influence between customer confidence in the food purchase toward the good GrabFood delivery feature to the public in DKI Jakarta 2011. And the second is there is an influence between the use of online motorcycle taxi service on the food purchase, the GrabFood delivery feature of the community in the DKI Jakarta 2011. And the last is there is an influence between customer trust and the simultaneous use of the online motorcycle taxi service on the food purchase through the GrabFood delivery message feature to people in DKI Jakarta 2009. And the next is research method. Research time in May 2020 until July 2020. Data use is primary data. Research type is quantitative. Analysis use is multiple linear regression. And the last sampling technique is proportional random sampling. And data analysis technique is the one instrument trial. The first is validity test. Based on the result of the validity test, reliability test, and the second is classic assumption test, is a normality test, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, and linearity test. Statistic test is test P, test T, and the confidence of determination analysis. Okay, in this study, there is the description of the respondent as follows as the respondents by genders, respondents by domicile, and the last is the respondents by age. And then there are the result of the validity test. Based on the result of the validity test conclude on 13 DKI Jakarta residents who use of the GrabFood delivery message feature as the statement item on all variable can be used because they meet the validity test requirement. And the reliability test is based on the result of the reliability test of the three variable and the three instruments are used are the variable. And next is classic assumption test is normality test. The result of normality test of the customer confidence variable and use of online motorcycle taxi service show a significant value of 0.200 greater than 0.05. It can be concluded that the residual of the normally data is normally distributed. And the next is multicollinearity test. The result of the multicollinearity test of the customer confidence and the use of online motorcycle taxi service show a VIP, a value of the 1.929, and the tolerance value is 0.518, which means it can be concluded uh, that there is no multicollinearity system uh, symptom because the probability value of VIP is greater than 0.1 and the tolerance value is greater than 0.1. And the next is heteroscedasticity test. The result of the heteroscedasticity test uh, of the customer confidence and the use of online motorcycle taxi service show the significance value of the 0.138 and 0.055. Based on the data, it can be concluded that there is no symptom of the heteroscedasticity because it has a significant value greater than 0.05. And the next is the last of the classic assumption test, that is the linearity test. The result of the linearity test between the variable of customer confidence and the use of online motorcycle taxi service on purchase obtain a signification result of the 0.052 and 0.114. So it can be concluded that the variable customer confidence and the use of online motorcycle taxi service has a relationship with the food purchase variable because it has significant value greater than 0.05. This is then it is the clarified that the model used is correct because there is linearity. And the next is multiple and the next is there are the results from multiple linear regression analysis. A simple regression equation was found from the data obtained, namely y 8.898 plus 0.442x1 plus 0.342x2. The constant value is 8.898 and the regression confidence is plus 0.0443x1 and plus 0.342x2. The regression confidence showed that food purchase increased by 0.443 with its addition of the customer confidence, and the food purchase also increased by 0.342 with each additional use of online motorcycle taxi service. And next, the statistic test, t-test. The value of the t-count is greater than t-table. Then HO is rejected and HR is accepted. That value on the t-table is 1.198. Then the value of the count is greater than t-table. So it can be concluded that KA is accepted, which means that there is the partial influence on the customer confidence and the use of online motorcycle taxi service. on food purchase the Grab food delivery feature for the people in DKI Jakarta non-Thousand Island. And the next is the P-Uji, P-test. Based on the result of the p-test, the result of the p-count value are the 127.656 and the significance value is 0.000 greater of the 0.05. It can be interpreted to HO is rejected and HA is accepted, and it can be concluded that the variable of the customer trust and the use of online motorcycle taxi service together have a significant effect to food purchase. And there is a confidence of determination analysis test. Show the table result that the value of the R2 is 0.695 or equal to 69.5%. Finally, the influence of the customer trust variable or X1 and the use of online motorcycle taxi service X2 on the purchase and the food purchase at Y is 69.5%, and the amount of the other variable that affect food purchase variable is the 13.5%. And the next is the effect of the customer confidence to food purchase. Based on the result of the research that has been carried out, it is the found that customer trust has a significant effect of the food purchase toward the GrabFood delivery feature. The result of this also support the statement Morgan and Han, which say that a group of the people and the several people who have confidence in a good exchange of the integrity honestly can have can lead to trust to make a purchase. Therefore, customer cannot make purchase of the good or other consumption activity due to customer confidence in the provide of these goods or service. And the second is the effect of using online motorcycle service on the food purchase. Based on the result of the research that has been carried out, it is found that the use online motorcycle taxi service has a significant effect on purchasing food through the Grab food delivery message feature to the public in DKI Jakarta. The result of this study also support a statement of Haryanto 2015, which say that distribution is an activity that aims to market a product that seeks to facilitate and facilitate the arrival of a good or service from the product's procedure to consumer, so that others product can be used according to their use. The convenience product provide because of the online motorcycle taxi service has proven to help consumer in the carrying out their daily activities. One of which is processing food through the GrabFood delivery feature. And the last is conclusion. The conclusion is based on the result of data analysis, it can be concluded that customer trust has an impact of food purchase. This is that the higher customer trust people in DKI Jakarta, the level of food purchase through the delivery feature message in the will increase. And the second is based on the result data analysis, it can be concluded that the use of the motorcycle taxi service has an effect of the food purchase. This is a means that the height of use of online motorcycle taxi service, that the level of purchase food through the GrabFood delivery feature in DKI Jakarta will increase. And the theoretical implication. The high level of the customer confidence is the brand makes them indirectly use the brand continuously with high customer confidence in the Grab food delivery feature, and the level of food purchase throughout this feature will increase. The high use of the online motorcycle taxi service has proven to be able in the increase um, food purchasing through the GrabFood delivery feature. This is because their online motorcycle taxi service are the main actor of the distribution in the purchasing food through in this feature. So that the use of the online motorcycle taxi service is and distribution of the Grab food delivery feature will increase the level of the food purchase through this feature. And the practical implication, the result of these are used as input of the Grab food delivery feature to always maintain customer trust and continue to improve the quality of its online motorcycle taxi service. This can be done by providing regular customer satisfaction surveys to be able to continue to evaluate what the factor can make consumer confidence in the future increase or decrease in the order to continue maintain its quality. A recommendation for the future research is, research limitation is, this is the text sample in the DKI Jakarta area where this area is the capital city which is the center of the government and the center of the economy, which means that more and more people need and as this food delivery message feature. Therefore, this study took a small sample due to the limitation of the research themselves in the sampling. Therefore, it's hoped to the future research can take a longer sample than this study. This study also has not proven whether some results can be produced if there is the sample of respondents to come from outside DKI Jakarta. Therefore, future research is needed using respondents who are more fair in terms of geography. And the recommendation from the future research is future research are the expected to explore theory and the factor that can influence food purchase or consumption, because results on this matter, especially regarding to a variable of using online motorcycle taxi service, is still lacking. In addition, it's also expected to increase the number of the sampling is the research, because the limited sample in the study is the caused by limitation of the research. And it is also hoped that future research will follow directly the process of the distributing data, because in this study that data use web distribution using Google Chrome. In addition, future research are also advised to conduct research with the more diverse subject and place. And thank you for your attention.